Hey everybody, Scouser Tech here. Gonna go ahead and do my my wife's car today. Everybody's been asking what she drives. I've got a few messages, not everybody, but she has a Mazda CX-5. It's time we change her cabin air filter. So we're gonna go ahead and get her unlocked and take a look. I bought this item on Amazon. It's brand EPAuto. The item number is CPJ6X. I bought this from my wife's Mazda CX-5. It's the interior cabin air filter. It's got a little bit of the carbon inserts, which I like. They recommend you change these every 12 months to 12,000 miles. It does show the instructions, which is pretty easy. You've changed these on many cars, but figured I'd give it a show. My wife's at about 37,000 miles. She's got 37,622 miles. This item has never been changed. We're going to go ahead and change that today. So what we're going to do is go to the glove compartment and quickly show you how this is done. We're going to go ahead and open it up real quick and easy. And we're going to go ahead and take that out of the plastic wrap as well. What you want to do is make sure that these tabs line up. That's a major part of it. You can see a little bit of that carbon inserts is going to help get a little bit more fresh air back into this car. The major thing you want to do is on here, we're going to look at this, and this actually shows you where the airflow is to flow, so that is key to where you're going to position this. Again, this is an EPAuto CPJ6X for the Mazda CX-5. This is a 2014 Mazda CX-5. Alright, what you're going to do is quickly just undo your glove box. We're going to squeeze the sides, and then they've got a latch down here which you're just going to release from, and then we're going to come to the other side and show you where that latch is. What you're going to do is just quickly undo this latch here. Just quickly put your finger up and it'll pop right off, and then go ahead and pull this right out. What we're going to do is, your tab is down, you're just going to put your fingers on there and just pull that out. Be careful because you may have some debris, which we do. There's a lot of oak, pecan, and a lot of pollen over these last 40,000 miles. We're going to go ahead and match up this tab. Again, this one was facing down, so real quick and easy, and we're going to slide her in. She's got tabs on the side, real slow, and then just make sure she clicks and you're good to go. So what we've got is we got our two tabs here, and then we've got our release bar. What you're going to do is line up your tabs with your glove box, and you're going to make sure each one of those sits down and in. This way they set 1 and 2, and then what we're going to do is we're going to lift up till our bar comes in. You may have to actually squeeze the one side in, and then just make sure these are squeezed up, and we're closed and done. So I had a few audio issues, but I've started up the vehicle and putting the AC on. I just want to check over, make sure the smell that's coming through is a lot better. My wife was getting a bit of a musty smell. Every time it turned on, a little bit of dust flying through. We've gone ahead and cleaned up those items with this new filter, and things are doing great. So keep those likes coming, keep those subscribers coming. Let me know if you'd like me to do some more videos on any other vehicles. Hopefully we can get some friends, family involved as well. Thanks again, and stay tuned.